Welcome to CEO Insights. I'm Marilyn de Guzman with Investing News Network. I'm speaking with Ian Kane, President and CEO of Greenlane, a Vancouver-based company pioneering innovations in the renewable natural gas market. Hello, Ian.
Hi, Marilyn. Thanks for having me.
Yes, welcome. You're fresh on the heels of your recent appointment as President and CEO of Greenlane. Why don't we start with talking just a little bit about your background and what led you to join the company?
Yes, thanks. As I've joined Greenlane, I've come from a successful career in energy and clean tech companies, focused on restructuring and growing businesses, and ultimately resulting in M&A. As we all know, it results in maximizing shareholder value, and that's what I'm here for. Greenlane is an extremely exciting industry in the RNG industry, focused on biogas upgrading solutions, and the market has grown rapidly in the last period and has stabilized. But the next phase looks very exciting for Greenlane and for the overall RNG market.
So as that new person at the helm of Greenlane, talk about your plans and the overall strategy to improve the company's performance.
Yeah, the focus is, to drive the bottom line of the business. We got a lot of customers that we're working with at the moment, and a lot of those customers we are delivering on, and the key is to deliver successfully. We also want to focus on our process and systems to maximize efficiency, and that then results obviously in bottom line performance. We have a credible base of customers we're working with that give us growth potential. We have a number of business units that have potential to grow, exponentially. That's what we're very excited about. And at the end of the day, we've just released a compelling sector-focused line of standard systems, which should allow us to reduce input costs, gain synergies, and create operating leverage to ultimately drive the bottom line and market expansion.
Right. So you mentioned, this is an exciting time to be in the renewable natural gas market. It's been quite a while since we've heard from Greenlane. It's been quiet on that front. But tell us why now is a good time for investors to pay attention to Greenlane.
Well, we're chasing, some great sizable opportunities at the moment. We're working with large industry players, delivering projects for them, including global energy giants. And as they grow, their portfolio will grow with them as their preferred solution provider. They have multiple projects on the go. So this is really important foundation for us. Good macro conditions, the recent shelving of the proposed eRINs by the EPA has significantly strengthened the D3 RINs and are finally in the direction we expect will help our business grow. We focused on strong market potential in South America, specifically Brazil, where we expect a lot of growth to take place. And that's an exciting sector for us.
So what do you see now as, I can imagine you're just, getting warmed up in your new role. What do you see as the biggest challenge for yourself and for the company right now?
If you look at our past, we've grown, substantially over the last few years. And with any growing company, it gets to a point where we need to start level setting, putting in more of a foundation to take us to the next phase of growth. And, that focuses also on overall profitable growth and sustainability. And that's going to be a big focus for us, is put that foundation in the business. And that has already started and is the process of being executed, which will then enable us to take the next level of exponential growth we expect.
Right. And I think you've alluded to this a little bit, a little earlier. But could you expound on, what you see is the greatest opportunity right now for Greenlane?
Yeah, the key area for us is to grow our foundation of standard products. And part of that is in specific markets. And one of the biggest markets we see where growth can take place is the Brazilian market, is pretty much untapped. We have members of our team there. We have executed projects in Brazil. We understand the market. And that is one of our biggest growth areas we expect for Greenlane.
Mm-hmm. And so what are the plans for 2024? What can the investor community expect from the company?
It's a very exciting time for us. We focusing on building the foundation, putting in processes, systems, ERP, PLM, various elements that are foundational that'll help us deliver to our customers as they expect us to deliver in high quality. Also, cost management, and that'll help us. The next part of our strategy is we released, as I mentioned previously, standard product portfolio, and we are experts in these specific standard products. That'll help us drive synergy, so we'll focus on that. And then, we'll become the go-to organization for biogas upgrading solutions and expand on our market footprint. As I said, execution of projects is going to be key, and that's what we will focus on. Grow with our existing customers and have a repeat business, across those customers. And at the end of the day, focus on the growth market areas. So, for example, Brazil. At the end of the day, our focus is on expanding profitable growth for business, both top line growth and bottom line. And ultimately, we will accelerate the energy transition and create shareholder value.
Right. Well, it looks like it's you have got some big work ahead of you. We're looking forward to hearing more on your progress in the near future. In the meantime, thanks for sharing your insights today, Ian.
Thanks for your time.
Thanks for watching. Join us again next time for another engaging conversation on CEO Insights. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss new updates and interviews from Investing News Network.